How to stop someone from saving your snaps on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we're going to talk about preventing someone from saving your Snapchat photos. First of all, you need to make sure that you have installed the latest version of Snapchat application on your mobile device and launch it. Now go to the chat or the conversation section from the bottom left corner of your screen and open it. Open the chat or the conversation where you do not want the other person to save your snaps. Now try sending a snap to this specific friend. Before sending the snap, look at the right side of your phone, and there you'll see the option of image time that is indicated by the infinity symbol. Go ahead and tap on that. And here you'll see the time limit, like no limit, 10 seconds, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, or even 0.50 seconds. But in order to set in this timer, you need to have Snapchat Plus. So I'm going to go ahead and set it to 1 second or 2 second or 3 second so that they just view the snap and they cannot save it. Once done, tap on send in the bottom right corner and you'll be done. Now, when your friends view the snap, they won't have the option to save it. If you're sending a video or snap, simply limit the video visibility from infinity to 1 time. So that's all you need to do. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.